All that locational information from not just the phone itself and the cell towers, but also from the myriad of apps that people have on there that are actually constantly in the background checking in and sending information about where they're at, who they're connected with, what Wi-Fi access points are nearby, and they've seen. So we've had a real uptick in that sort of thing. And sometimes, it works for the defendant, sometimes it works against them, but we've had a number of cases where it's actually helped out, where we're able to show that, they simply just weren't, like, as you said, weren't in the area, and we're not just relying on the cell tower information, but we can back that up with 5 or 6 other apps on the phone also validating that information. So it's a tremendous treasure trove of just information about folks all the time.
Right. And the other place that we see it quite a bit is on people's Google searches. So if there was a murder committed by poison, and you go back to the person's computer and see that they were Googling how do I make arsenic, then it's pretty powerful evidence as to the person's motive, or that they were in fact the person who committed the crime.
Yeah, web browser history is huge in what we do, and it is really kind of stunning sometimes how people just, they ask Google anything and they don't remember that Google's in the business of taking all that data, chopping it up with what they know about you and selling it, so they don't lose anything, and it's always there, it's always available, and on any web browser you have on any device, it's actually being transferred around, and I think people should actually understand that. I think some folks are familiar with, you'll do a web search and then maybe you look into your Gmail account and you get a banner ad along the side for advertising to you for something that you just Google searched for.
Yeah, it's kind of frightening.